What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Joshy Bo. Don't forget to coming back to give it another video, man. We got the kids on the bikes, man. We bringing the community together, bruh. Look at him. Hold on. He holding it up. Look at him. Willie, hold on. Ah, got Jackson right here. You know what I'm saying? He holding it up. Okay. Okay, holding it up. Got my boy down in the back. Hey, they lit. Man, we on the POV cam right now. I don't even know if y'all can see a full car. Hopefully y'all can, because I can't even see y'all. I don't know if y'all can see me. But going on, Twin. This the whole walk around of the car right here. So we finna get to this POV, so let's do it. We finna go this way, and then we're gonna go a different way after, bro. How the fuck I'm gonna trust somebody? What y'all know about the rain over? How the fuck? Those are the kids I saw. I came around that corner hella quick, low-key. Yo, y'all see the horses and shit, bro? What the fuck? I didn't even want to look that direction because I was like, nigga, like, do you know when, like, you know you in the wrong and some shit, you don't even want to, like, look that way? That's how I felt right there. Like, I didn't even want to look that way because it was just damn near embarrassing, bro. Like, I don't even want to look. But we out there bit now, so. I'm gonna try something back. Those were the kids, if y'all saw that was in the video. Try something back. I don't know if that's PD, I don't think it is, but oh shit, my shit getting hot. Is that PD, bro? I don't think they have the PD logo on the side of their shit. Like I said, if they don't, nah, I think it's the recreational girl. I think it's the girl that. Looking to the left, there's a little charger right there. I like doing like, when niggas have their windows down, I like just like smashing shit right by where niggas have their windows down. You know when niggas have their windows down, bro? Let me know if y'all want one at nighttime too, by the way, bro. Like, if y'all want something at nighttime, I got y'all, bro. Y'all just gotta let me know. Damn PD, oh shit, did they catch me? Did they catch a nigga, bro? Did they catch a nigga? I think not. Am I getting closer to them or are they getting closer to me, man? Like, what the fuck? I think I'm getting closer to them. Unless these niggas are speeding down the road. That's the only fucking way. Unless these niggas are speeding trying to chase for me. Yeah, but by the time I come back outside, oh nigga, you're not getting over. I shouldn't even be in this position right now. Never do that, by the way. Never ever do that. Like, don't be between the fucking 18 wheel when they're trying to turn into a lane. Like, especially when they're trying to turn into a lane, but just in general, do not be right next to an 18 wheeler, bro. Like, you be on the other lane, and stay in your lane, of course, but just closer to the other side of the lane, if anything. It's hot as shit and people are looking at me like I'm a dickhead, bro. Let me stop turning, bro. me stop whatchamacallit, bro. I have a bad habit of doing that. I hate dickheads like this, nigga. Like, if you're not gonna fucking drive the fuck out my lane, nigga, you can turn until you fucking pussy. Like, and now I'm missing the light because of your ass, nigga. I hate dickheads like this. Learn how to drive, dumb bitch. This shit scares me. I see K.A. Band hella, like, that scares me. What the fuck is K.A. Band doing on the streets? Like, on some real though, what the fuck is K.A. Band doing on the streets, my nigga? Fuck, I was supposed to turn right there, huh? Damn. Now I gotta make a fucking U-E. I gotta bust a fat U-E. Oh, but it's perfect because we get the light. And God works in mysterious ways, bro. Dead true. No, I said dead true. No true. Oh shit, I just touched the fucking camera with my damn big ass head. Shit, fucking Rocky Johnson. Let me see if my boy's here. I don't know if my boy's here. Hopefully he's here. Get a little discount or a little something. I don't know if that's his thing. I really don't think it is, but oh, it is. He's here. He's here. He's here. Tristan's here. Thank you, God. My boy, right? Oh, chill, cuz. Oh shit. I'm trying to say like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck going on, twin? Like, damn, bitch. Can I? Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. All you bitch ass niggas hold the fuck on, cuz I'm trying to park. Fuck what y'all niggas talking about. A real nigga trying to park. When a real nigga trying to park, y'all niggas let a real nigga park, man. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Y'all gotta let a real nigga park, man. But I don't like that. Look how, bro, like, I might be the best backup parking nigga ever. No troll. Dead Obies.
2 seconds later.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, everything's so much more lit with music though. Am I lying, nigga? Like, when you don't care about getting copyrighted, nigga, like, you feel me? Like, that shit way more lit, cuz. No troll. Damn. I wonder if... Nah, I think... Damn. It doesn't matter. I'ma just... Oh, it doesn't matter. Fuck it, it doesn't fucking matter. The niggas are turning. Why am I in this lane? Like, why? Like, why am I in this lane, bro? I'm goofy for that. This nigga's turning. And every nigga's turning, or no? Every nigga is turning, I guess. Fuck it. I didn't make this light though, cuz. Like, this nigga need to hurry up, bro. Bro, chat, should I get my shit tuned? Like, real rap, I've been thinking about that shit now, like. I've been thinking about, should I get that bitch tuned? Oh my God. Hey, cuz. Hey, it's so funny when you, like, cut a nigga, like how I just did, and then you meet up with this nigga, you at the same fucking point as this nigga, technically. Like, go, bitch. I hate stupid bitches. Go. Now I'm gonna pass this nigga up, bro. Like, this nigga make me pass shit up. Like, dumb bitch.
GPS connected.
Is that PD? Fuck no, it's not. Well, see you later, alligator. I'm on the fucking anyway with it. I'm out of wine. my blinkers too, by the way. I'm not like one of you dickheads who you sit there and don't use their blinkers. I use my fucking blinkers. I'm not no dickhead. Pure wine, bro. Nothing but wine, man. I just had some good fucking chicken Alfredo from Olive Garden, bro. That shit was good as fuck. No troll. Like on some real nigga shit, that shit was good as fuck. Open to all? Oh, it's open to all. I'm trying to think which exit I need to go to. I need to go to the Travis one, though, right? Yeah. Man, should I get a ported blower? Like, of course, everybody's gonna say fucking yes, you should. Like, but like, I'm saying, is it worth it? And I'm talking about not for power, for the sound. I'm not a big power nigga. Like, power, oh my god, I don't need fucking crazy fucking power or whatever, because it's like, bro, realistically, I'm not really racing anybody for money, nigga. Like, of course, if I was gonna have 1,000 horsepower, like, okay, that's hella cool and shit, but it's like, bro, like, I'd rather make sure my car is running, nigga, and under warranty, you feel me? Like, unless it was like, basically, like, if this makes sense, unless it was like, yo, if you, ooh, Kia cutting up, though. Unless it was like, yo, I'm fucking Rakab, I'm stuck with my fucking words. Unless it was like, let's say you get upgraded stuff and your shit gets faster, but your shit is like less likely to blow up or less likely to break, you feel me, shit like that. If it was like that, bro, I would dead ass upgrade my shit like performance ASAP, and it's hella fucking, I don't even know which lane I should get in. Probably the fucking handicap lane. It's open up. Damn, the handicap lane is open. Oh yeah, I gotta get over. I ain't gonna lie, that's fries. That's so fries. And now I'm stuck over here with hella traffic. Fuck me. Fuck me, right? Fuck Joshy Bell. Huh. The fucking Cavs lost, bro. Yo, I don't know if y'all niggas can see this shit. Oh my god, Jalen fucking Brunson. I don't even know who's actually going crazy on the team, but god damn, it's hot as shit up in here. If y'all watch basketball a lot, that OKC game was fucking crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, and this right here is actually clutch. This shit actually work. It just depends on what time of day you're at, but this motherfucker actually worked though. No true. These niggas probably dead looking at me crazy right now, nigga. I got a fucking camera on top of my head. What the fuck happened over here? We're right by whatever happened. Oh, it's the fucking haystack. Damn, bro. Oh yeah, all this hay on the ground. God, let me roll my window up. Jesus Christ. Hella fucking hay. I hope this shit don't get on my fucking shit though. Damn, there's hella hay on the ground, bro. Is that PD? Yo, I'm a dickhead. I'm a dickhead. Salvador's calling me. fucking wind is absolutely fucking astonishing, man. Fuck. Fucking Slovakian. Fuck, dude. Oh, I gotta go all the way down, huh? I gotta go dimmer like fucking, yeah. I gotta go down there. Turn that fucking arrow off, bitch. I just need it on low. No, I need this. Oh shit, no, not this. I need the fucking, there we go, fuck. Bro, that wine is just so like, the wine is just so like, I don't even know the word for it though, but it's just so, it's right here, yeah, it's right here. It's just so like, you just hear that wine, it just makes you like, you feel me? Like, do y'all hear that shit? Like, what you talking about? Oh my, Sheriff is behind me. Sheriff is behind me on God. Sheriff is behind me on God. Let's hopefully say I don't get pulled over or nothing like that. I'm gonna go ahead and let my windows down too. Hopefully I do not get pulled over. Sheriff is behind me. Sheriff is behind me. I'm trying to, when you shift up hella, like it doesn't sound like your car's that loud. Like I'm shifting up hella. I'm shifting up hella. He's gonna pass by me, you know what I'm saying? Cool ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Cool ass little sheriff. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, God, nothing happened. Now it's time to downshift because the sheriff's on.